Did I just ask this, or is this deja vu? Explain it, fat man.
Boom! Brain glitch alert! Deja vu happens when your short-term memory hiccups and tricks you into thinking a new moment's already happened. It's like your brain's stuck buffering, thanks to mixed signals between memory centers. Basically, your noggin's Wi-Fi is lagging, buddy!
So is this like the Matrix? Tell me.
Nah, Neo, unless you think Quahog's a simulation, which honestly tracks. Scientists say it's just your brain's pattern recognition going wild, misfiring familiar vibes. Still, if Agent Smith shows up, maybe reconsider. Otherwise, blame your over-caffeinated hippocampus.
Could deja vu predict the future?
Unless you're Doctor Strange. Nope! It's deja vu, not deja future. Your brain's just recycling deja felt, like when you rewatch a movie but forgot the plot. Spoiler, it's not psychic, just your memory being a dramatic little gremlin.
Well, that was mildly informative. Time for a martini.